Hello and welcome to the 340 Club. In this video, we'll be solving this question. 9 over 4 raised to the power 9 over 4. The goal is to simplify this in a form that can be easily worked with, right? You have a fraction raised to the power of a fraction. It's not tidy and it's not easy to work with. So our goal is to simplify it to make it easy to work with. So the first thing we'll do is to write 9 over 4 as 3 squared over 2 squared. Since 9 is 3 squared and 4 is 2 squared. So you have 3 squared over 2 squared all to the power 9 over 4. The next thing we'll do is apply this rule of exponents, which says a to the power m over b to the power m equals a over b to the power m. Basically, we can distribute a power over a fraction. In that same sense, you can factor out, in quotes, a power from a fraction. So we can factor out the squared from the 3 over 2, and we have 3 over 2 all squared, all to the power 2 over 4, right? And now we know if you have a power to a power, it's the same as multiplying the powers. So you have 3 over squared to the power 2, all to the power 9 over 4. It's going to be the same as multiplying the powers of 2 and 9 over 4. So we have 3 over 2 raised to the power 2 times 9 over 4, right? And 2 times 9 over 4, the 2 cancels out the 4 and leaves a 2 behind. So it's going to be 3 over 2 raised to the power 9 over 2. 9 over 2 is 4.5, so I can write it as 3 over 2 raised to the power 4.5. So we have 3 over 2 raised to the power 4.5. So now we can apply the rule of exponents, which says a to the power m plus n equals a to the power m times a to the power n. Basically, you have a sum in the powers. We can write as a product of two separate powers, right? So 3 over 2 to the power 4 plus half can be written as 3 over 2 to the power 4 times 3 over 2 to the power half, right? You can write it as 3 over 2 to the power 4 times 3 over 2 to the power half. And once again, using that rule where we can distribute a fraction, a power over a fraction, we distribute a 4 over the 3 over 2, and we have 3 to the power 4 divided by 2 to the power 4. And that gives us 81 over 16 times 3 over 2 to the power half. So that's what we have now. Now let's work on the 3 over 2 to the power half. We can apply this rule of exponent that says a to the power m over n equals a to the power m to the nth root, right? So if you have a fraction in the power, the numerator becomes the power, the denominator becomes the root, right? So a to the power m over n equals a to the power m to the nth root, to the nth root, right? So we have 81 over 16, and we have square root of 3 over 2 times the square root of 3 over 2. So 81 over 16 times the square root of 3 over 2. Let's try and simplify the square root of 3 over 2 using this rule, which says the square root of a over b equals the square root of a over the square root of b. Basically, we can distribute a square root over a fraction, right? You can distribute a square root over a fraction. So let's apply that. So the square root of 3 over 2 becomes the square root of 3 over the square root of 2. So we have 81 over 16 times the square root of 3 over the square root of 2. Now the next thing we'll do is to rationalize the denominator, right? We don't like it when there's a square root in the denominator. We just want to have rational numbers only in the denominator. So you have to rationalize the denominator. So to rationalize the denominator, you are going to multiply through by root 2 over 2. So we have 81 over 16 times root 3 over 2 times root 2 over 2. Right? So root 3 times root 2, we are going to apply the rule of exponent that says root a times root b equals root ab. Right? Root a times root b equals root ab. But you can distribute the square root over a product and vice versa. So root 3 times root 2 is root 6, and root 2 times root 2 is root 4, which is basically 2. So you have 81 times root 6 over 16 times 2, or 81 over 16 times root 6 over 2, right? So that's how to simplify this. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.